what'd you find to take apart today?
Computer.
A keyboard?
And I need a screwdriver.
Here, I undid all these screws. This is what Jude likes to do. He's 5 years old and he likes to find things to take apart.
Yeah.
There's the plate. Ooh. There's all the suctions for the keys. Neat.
Yeah.
What do you call these, Jude?
I call them circus boards. And I like to take them apart, please.
Cool. Let me see one of those. So this is so when you push down the key, it will pop back up.
Yeah, pop.
And won't get stuck. Pretty neat.
Yeah.
So we may have found some silver, maybe some copper in the wires. Let's see.
And piece of white
Cool.
stamp on it. I found these.
These are kind of neat looking. Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are neat looking, aren't they?
Yeah. And
Circus or circuit. He's got me saying circus now.
another piece.
Circus board.
So I have 2 pieces.
Be cool. Yeah, that might make a good picture actually. Kind of neat.
And we gotta take apart one.
Put that there. A, B. It's kind of neat. You can see it's reflecting off the plastic. That's interesting. Yes. Oh, do you need help with that? Or do you think you can do that?
I think I can do it.
All right, let's see you do
Oh
it.
yeah.
Let's see you do it. Got 2 more.
No, 3 more.
3 more? Oh, you're correct. So Jude's grandmother Pam gave us this idea to buy things from the thrift store just so Jude could take it apart.
Yeah.
Good idea.
You're not calling people Pamela because that's weird.
No, Pamela is
My grandma.
a classic
Name.
name for your grandma. Cool.
Or you can call her Pam. Let's see.
One more.
Oh, it's 2 more. 2 more.
Oh.
3 more. No, 1 more.
Ooh, another plate.
Wow. Some more plastic stuff.
Ooh, cool.
Oh, these sections.
All right. Whoa. Whoa, there goes one on my head. Are you gonna show everyone how to pop the keys? How you were showing me before? That was kind of neat, Jude. Can you show us how to pop the keys?
Look.
Ooh.
Look at these. What's this?
Ooh, you can cut that and make different shapes. You could do some interesting things with that. You could sew some yarn in there. Cool. What number is that, Jude?
It's 104.
Yay! You got it. Now pop some keys. Push down. There it goes. That one's tough. That one's bigger. Careful. Oh, there it goes. It would probably be safer to use this with a different end, maybe. Can you do that? Yeah, that might be safer.
Ow.
What happened?
It's okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Close my eyes because pop.
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 Jude, how fun is this? Do you think this is-
100%.
All right.